A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development within the realm of American politics, the Justice Department's latest attempt to indict New York Attorney General Letitia James has met with failure yet again. On Thursday, a second grand jury declined to issue an indictment against James, following a prior dismissal of the original mortgage fraud case by a federal judge. This turn of events has raised questions about the motivations behind the prosecution and the legal processes involved. The case against James was initiated by the U.S. attorney appointed by the Trump administration, who replaced the previous prosecutor under pressure to pursue criminal charges against James and former FBI Director James Comey. The original indictment, which accused James of bank fraud and lying to a financial institution, was dismissed by the judge due to the ruling that the U.S. attorney's appointment was invalid. This ruling rendered the charges legally void, leading to the Justice Department's decision to seek a new indictment. Despite the setback, the DOJ returned to a grand jury in Norfolk, Virginia, hoping for a different outcome. However, the results remained unchanged, with the grand jury opting not to indict James. A source familiar with the situation indicated that while the DOJ still has the option to retry the case, the legal landscape is becoming increasingly complex. Letitia James has consistently denied any wrongdoing, asserting that the charges against her are politically motivated attempts to undermine her role as a prominent critic of former President Donald Trump. She has accused the Trump administration of weaponizing the justice system to retaliate against political adversaries. James has emerged as a key figure in the ongoing scrutiny of Trump, making her a target for legal challenges that many perceive as driven by political agendas. The failed indictment is not just a setback for the Justice Department, but also reflects the broader implications of political influence on legal proceedings. Critics have pointed out that the timing and nature of the charges against James and Comey raise concerns about the integrity of the judicial process. Former President Trump had previously pressured Attorney General Pam Bondi to take action against James, Comey, and other political opponents, further complicating the narrative surrounding these cases. As the DOJ navigates the complexities of these legal challenges, it is also reviewing the possibility of retrying charges against James Comey, whose case was dismissed on the same day as James. The outcomes of these cases not only impact the individuals involved, but also set precedents for how political figures can be prosecuted in the future. In light of these developments, many are left wondering about the future of the DOJ's efforts against James and the implications for political accountability in the United States. The legal battles are far from over, and as the situation continues to unfold, it remains to be seen how the Justice Department will proceed in its quest for retribution against those it views as political adversaries. The ongoing saga is a stark reminder of the intersection between law and politics in today's America, where the stakes are high, and the outcomes can have lasting repercussions for all parties involved. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.